Hello to the two people that watches my videos. Hi. That was a weird beginning. I'm sorry. In this video, I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look I'm wearing. This look is super wearable, super natural, super fast, super easy. You only need one product. That ain't funny. I have a lot of video ideas right now, but I don't have time to film them, I don't have time to edit them, and I don't have time to upload them. Also, I redid my rooms. Also, I can't talk English today again, but I redid my room and I'm trying out new backgrounds, and I don't know if you see my undone bed. Anyways, yeah, this is the video of this look. Point blank period. It's inspired by these scrapbook stickers. No, they're not stickers. I don't know what they're called. They're like, I know I collected those when I was little and I still have them, so I thought, why not use them? They're just attached with lash glue, and the eyes were like, yeah, self-explanatory. I don't have to explain everything. I'm sorry for not being funny, or I'm tired. Also, my posture. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling about how bad I am, quirky, and I'm just gonna go on with the video. So, goodbye from the real me to voiceover me, which is still the real me, and anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, and this is the video. Hello. Oh shit, it's so fast. I'm starting with a hydrating stick, and then I'm going in with a hydrating primer. Also, sorry for my voice, I'm sick. And then, oh Jesus, and then foundation and concealer, and I use different shades for like different parts of my face to have dimension. And then I'm just blending it out first with a brush, and then I'm taking a sponge to blend it out even more, or blend it out, because that's not blended out. What am I talking about? Okay, apparently I thought it was fun to record and keep everything that I did. Okay, now we're going in with a sponge. Lovely. And now we're speeding it up. And if you see me chewing, like, throughout the video, it's because I was eating. And then I'm baking with a baking powder from Makeup Revolution in the color Lace. That's the only thing I remember. A MAC lipstick in the shade, I don't know, it's blue. And I'm taking that with a little brush around my entire eye. Then I'm taking a Quartet and a light blue shade and putting that like not on my crease but almost. And then I'm taking the shade Coal, I think. Oh, and now I'm taking a white shade. Oh, okay. I'm taking a light pink blush and using that as eyeshadow on the other eye. Then underneath the eye, and then like different shades of pink all over. Oh, this is really fast, and I'm sorry if I'm not like going into everything in detail because I didn't think about this. I just filmed it and didn't think of anything else, but here I am. So I'm just blending and blending and blending. Then I'm taking color Canvas, I think, from the James Charles palette and using that as a highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner. And then taking a white eye pencil and putting that on my waterline. Then a white liquid liner and starting to do some like vintage shapes on my eye. They're not perfect, but anyways. And then I just continue to like branch it out, I guess. Then I'm blinking, and then I'm taking the white eyeliner and the liquid one and taking it on my bottom lashes. Then I'm wiping off the bake. Then I'm taking a dirty ass palette and using as contour. And then a bright pink blush. And then I'm taking these, what I said in the beginning, I don't know. Oh wait, nope, okay, mascara, it McFall. And I'm just putting that on my lashes, nothing special. And then the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow or Gloss Bomb, I don't know. I always have a hard time with that name, I don't know. And then I'm using the same highlight shade that I used on my brow bone, and I'm putting that on my cheeks and nose. And then I'm attaching these scrapbook things with lash adhesive. And I'm doing the blue one on the pink eye and then the pink one on the, oh, Hitler, oh. Okay, and now the lashes are on, and now I'm gonna show you the look and pose and everything. Oh, that might be a little loud. Bye, I guess.
So this is the final look. Yeah, I guess at the gym I'm like a ninja. That's a Durian Lake joke. I'm going to London in 2 weeks and then school starts, so I won't be able to upload as often, even though I upload like every 3-4 weeks, which is not good.
And stop spitting, you'll mind quiet.
If you like the video, like it, and also I have a question. If someone can answer it, is it better when I do voiceovers, or is it more fun to watch when I like talk and do the makeup at the same time? Because I can't really decide myself. So comment down below.